Oh my gosh, I can't believe I am sitting here looking like this. With my hair looking like this. I have to film this video, okay? I don't have time to do my hair. Oh wow, it's like really bad. Let me try to fix it. Okay, so there is no fixing it. Apparently, I just keep making it worse. So let's ignore my hair. Pretend it's not there. Today's video is gonna be my Boxycharm unboxing. By the way, now that there's so many new Boxycharms, like there are different tiers. There's the regular, which is this one. They just like made it fatter now. I guess so they can fit like bigger palettes or whatever in here. But you have the regular Boxycharm, then you have like Boxycharm 2.0, and then you have Boxycharm Luxe or Pro. I have no idea. Okay, I had to pick up my hair because it was driving me crazy. So now I look even worse, but that's fine. Like I was saying a few seconds ago, Boxycharm now offers a couple different boxes depending on what you're looking for. And I'm wondering, would you guys like to see a battle of the box? I mean, obviously the Boxy Luxe is gonna be better because there's a lot more shit in it. Is it called Boxy Luxe? Wow, I'm the worst Boxycharmer ever. I just don't have all the information all the time, you know? But obviously if you go to compare all of them against each other, the most expensive one is probably gonna be the best one. But I'm wondering if it's a video you wanna see just in case you want my opinion, whether I think it's worth it or not, which box I think is the best bang for your buck, something like that. Like if you wanna see that type of video next month for my Boxycharm video, let me know and I'll do that for you. But today we are doing a regular Boxycharm unboxing. And you can probably tell by the fact that I don't have my brows on that there's a brow product in here. I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder and I'm like, I need my eyebrows. So this is what the box looks like this month. The theme this month is whimsy. I'm not sure if you can even see that because it's pretty bright in here, but whimsy. But I'm gonna go ahead and dive right into this bad boy with this guy. So this is from a brand called Saturday Skin. It's a skincare brand, of course, and this is their Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. It says it's an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting the skin from free radicals. A fusion of ferments, amino acids, and plant extracts help calm skin while boosting vitality and suppleness. Wow, that sounds fabulous. So I actually haven't tried too much from this brand. I believe I've tried one of their serums before and I wasn't crazy about it, but I am very excited to try this. I love this packaging. That's what really drew me to this brand in the first place, is their really, really adorable packaging. This is obviously a full-size product and it retails for $39, and I believe you can get Saturday Skin at Sephora or Ulta. So yeah, I'm just gonna put some on. I obviously don't like dipping my fingers into a pot. Nobody does for sanitary reasons, but I'm just gonna go for it. Wow, that smells really nice, but it's such a light scent. You can barely smell it. No, actually, now I don't know if that was the scent. Was that just me? It smelled good. I don't think this has a scent, which is good, that's nice. I prefer no scent over a bad scent. Ooh, this actually feels really nice on the skin. I was actually gonna say that usually these water creams just sink right into the skin. They're better for people with oily skin because they don't leave you with that much moisture, but I feel nice and supple. I don't know, my skin feels nice so far. I'm gonna keep this on my vanity and use it throughout the week, and we shall see. I'm really excited we got that because, oh, it was this. This is what I smelled. I just leaned over into my mirror and I got that scent again. It's this. Why do you have a random Bath & Body Works happy birthday candle just sitting in front of you? I use this to prop up my mirror so I can see myself. But anyway, what I was gonna tell you is I actually really love getting skincare products in my Boxycharm just because I feel like, first of all, skincare tends to be really, really expensive. And sometimes I feel like we won't try certain skincare products because they're so pricey. So the fact that we get some skincare every once in a while in the Boxycharm is pretty cool, and I like trying new stuff. Besides trying new makeup, I love trying new skincare. But alright, let's move on. Let's freaking put on these brows for the love of God. So, the brow product is this. This is from a brand I've never heard before. Oh no, wait, yes I have. Brow Bar? I totally have heard of that. Wait, have I? I don't know. This is the Brow Bar Brow Makeover Kit. This is a full-size product and it retails for $30. And this is what it looks. Oh, I hadn't opened it yet. This is what it looks like. So it basically comes with 2 long-wearing brow shades. These 2, a brightening brow lift, a sculpting mascara gel, and then an angled brush and a flat brow brush. So you get a little brush, your little powders, your little lifting cream, and your gel all in one kit. Very excited to try this out. I'm concerned though because I have a very bushy situation. I haven't done my brows in forever. So this might not look neat and clean. I don't know how this brightening situation is gonna go. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to like put this over brow hairs, but we'll see. Let's try this out. Okay, so I tried my best with the powder. I usually like using a brow pencil, something that I can actually draw like hairs with to make it look a little bit fuller and more realistic, because a powder, even though it looks more natural, it's just hard to get a shape with a powder. At least for me. The coloring isn't too bad. It is warmer than my natural hair color, so my brows look a little ambery. And at first I started to use this color, but I realized, ooh, that's a little bit too warm, so then I went into this color and it looked a little bit better. But I actually don't mind mixing the two either. I think these colors look good. Let me try to add some of this guy underneath my brow to sharpen things up or to clean things up with the other side of my brush. I'm not even gonna pretend like that did anything. It's hard to carve out brows when you have brow hairs everywhere. So I'm literally putting this concealer type of product on top of my hairs and it just looks weird. I personally wouldn't even use something like that. I don't like to carve out my brows, but it's there in case you do. What I do like is brow gel, so let's see how good this brow gel is, because I'm very, very, very picky about my brow gel. Hopefully it's clear. No, it's not. It's brown. This definitely also has a warm tint to it. I do better with clear brow gel. Okay, so I just put on my foundation and my concealer, and I'm actually gonna use my concealer as an eyeshadow primer because we're about to jump into the next product, which is this. So I'm not gonna lie, at first this threw me off. When I opened this, I was like, this is fat. This is from a brand, Storybook Cosmetics. I've heard of them for years. I actually think they've made brushes in the past, and I have a couple brushes from them. But I love the whole idea of this. I love the whole vibe. Like, I get it. Like, oh my gosh, it's a Storybook, it's beautiful. But I definitely think it's just a hair too fat. If they would have maybe cut it in, or like not even in half, just like a little bit smaller, then I would have been like, yes, this is a fat book for an eyeshadow palette. Like, this is the palette, which is beautiful, but you have a lot of space here, which, I mean, I know it's supposed to look like a book. I get it. But I just wish it was a little bit smaller. A little bit. But that's just me being extra picky. I think this is so cute. I love the idea of it. This is a Robin Hood palette. So it's like a fairy tale, like Robin Hood. So cute. I love it. And I really like the color story in this palette. It's very Robin Hood, very pretty. And I'm just gonna do a quick little look with this just so I can test the eyeshadow formula. Because I know I've tried eyeshadows from Storybook Cosmetic in the past, but I don't remember. So let's see. so I finished the eyes. I just added some mascara, some eyeliner, all that good stuff. And then I went ahead and finished up the rest of my makeup. I still have a blush to try on, but I added my bronzer and my highlight and my lip color, which by the way, if you're curious about my lip, I'm using the Alamar Cosmetics Dulce lip liner with the Glacier holographic lip gloss on top. And I ended up really liking this palette. I went a little overboard on my lower lash line. It's definitely a little bit too dark and smoky with this shade. The shade is they're all so pigmented. And I used this green shade all over my lid without wetting it. Everything in this palette is super pigmented, really nice. And I really enjoyed it. I personally wouldn't do a super yellow gold like this on the inner corners with this eye look, but I was working with what I've got and it doesn't look too bad. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to this bad boy. So this is the Ciate London Marbled Light. Let me just read it off of dates. Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. Ooh, I love illuminating blushes. So mine is in the shade Dusk. I'm not sure if we got different ones in the box or what, but I'm excited. I don't really use that many products from Ciate London, but I have tried a couple things that I do like. Oh, interesting. Okay, I thought this was gonna be like a shimmery kind of blush. I thought it was gonna be sheeny and a little dewy, but honestly, it's a matte. It's a matte blush that has a little bit of this iridescence to it. It has this satin glow. I don't know how to explain it. It looks glowy, but it's not glowy. Does that make sense? I don't know. I'm gonna take a little bit onto my cheeks and we shall see. I know I already have highlight on. I'm wearing Becca Opal, but let's see if it gives my cheek an overall glow. This formula feels really nice too. It's like not powdery at all. I don't know how to explain it. It's so bizarre. Oh my gosh. I look crazy. Man, I definitely should have put this blush on before my highlight. I don't know what I was thinking. I just didn't know this was like an illuminating blusher, you know? This is a pretty intense pink and I feel like my cheeks look crazy. I feel like I'm auditioning for an 80s movie. I just feel like I have so much going on everywhere. Okay, so I don't necessarily love this blush color in combination with the rest of my makeup. I don't know, I feel like my cheeks are a little bit too rosy with the earthy tones I have going on, but the formula on this blush seems really nice. I want to play around with this a little bit more, try it out on top of different foundations without highlight. I want to see how illuminating it can be because it's such an interesting formula. It feels completely matte. It looks completely matte. There's no sheen in this, yet it's kind of glowy. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm excited about it. Even though I'm not crazy about the color, I'm excited about it. This is obviously a full-size blush. Do I have to say that? You know what? Do I have to say that? I feel like I started saying that back in the day because I was doing Ipsy bag unboxings as well, and you don't get full-size products in that. I mean, sometimes you do. So I would literally have to like call it out like, hey, this is full size, this is not. And then I just stayed doing that with Boxycharm. And I feel like I'm always like, this is obviously full size. This is obviously full size. Like, no shit, isn't everything? Isn't everything always full size? I think I'm gonna stop saying that. I think I'm just gonna tell you the price. So, this is, I was gonna say full size. Okay, this product, this is $26. Okay, so we have one more thing in the box, and that is this. And this is actually a brush cleaner. This is the Aesthetica brush cleaner and conditioner. It's like a 2-in-1. And I feel like I've tried a few things from this brand, but I've never tried this before. So we are gonna test this bad boy out right now. It says maintaining clean and bacteria-free brushes is the key to perfecting your makeup application. This Aesthetica Pro Series brush cleaner and conditioner is specially formulated to effectively remove makeup and dirt from your favorite makeup brushes. This powerful yet gentle cleanser and conditioner is both suitable for natural and synthetic brushes as well as makeup sponges. So yeah, very exciting. And if you're wondering, this product retails for $12. So it is a very affordable brush cleaner. Okay guys, so that completes this video. These were all the products in my Boxycharm this month. I feel like everything I got this month was something that I have to try more than once to give you like my my full opinion. Besides the eyeshadow palette, like it was good, the eyeshadows were good. This blush, I need to play around with it a little bit more. I think I really like it, but I gotta play around with it a little bit more. The brush cleaner, I have to use it a little bit more as well because my brushes are still like wet. I mean, I don't really know how I'm feeling. I will say right now, I prefer my Beauty Blender Solid cleanser. It's just so convenient for me. It's so easy for me, but it is more expensive than that one. So I still gotta play around with that one a little bit more, see how my brushes feel once they dry. And I'm excited to keep trying out that cream. The only thing I wasn't crazy about was that brow kit, just because I know I won't be using it. But I added everything up on the calculator, and the overall value this month is $142, which is awesome. But yeah, guys, that completes this video. Leave me a comment down below letting me know if you got the exact same things in your box this month. Did we get the same box or we get different boxes? Let me know in the comments below. Also let me know if you are loving this month or hating it. But yeah guys, like I've said 1,000 times, that completes this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. And I'm hot. Ow! So this is what the box. Ah! Whoops. Oh boy. There's something in my eye and I can't get it out. So I'm gonna ignore it.